Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing the top 5 most expensive Young Living essential oils. Okay, so disclaimer before we get started, I don't have any of these oils. When I first started with Young Living, I wanted rose essential oil, just because lavender and rose are my two favorite scents. So I went to get rose and I was like, yeah, not this month. And I've been a member for almost like a year and a half now, and I still don't have rose. So these are all on my wish list, but I don't have any of them. I have a sample of one of them, which I'll show you when we get to it, but these are just like super expensive, luxurious, amazing oils, and I'm going to tell you about each one. So the first one is rose. Rose is the most expensive essential oil. Also, side note, these are just singles. These aren't blends. So obviously rose smells amazing. It's like just fragrance is like the biggest use, I think, for rose besides skincare. And I have tons of products with rose in them, like skincare products that have rose in it. Rose is very good for aging skin. It's very hydrating, and it's good in supporting skin for like wrinkles and aging aspects. The other things that I have from my book, I always look at my life science book for information on each oil, but this is what I found in the book. So it has been used for skin support for thousands of years. It's nothing new. It's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. It's a relaxant. Again, fragrant property, reduces scarring. So another skin supportive thing that's amazing. For anxiety, it's been used, which I have never heard. I think rose is used just very rarely, just because it's so expensive. It's $198 for one 5 milliliter bottle of rose essential oil. And then skin conditions, and then there's various skin conditions in the book. If you have that, look it up. And then it brings balance. I can't wait to smell it and try it one day. One day I will. The next oil is Melissa. So I'm not sure if you have ever heard of Melissa. I haven't heard of it until kind of recently. And I didn't know it was an essential oil because it's like a girl's name or a woman's name. So it is $168 for a 5 milliliter bottle. I think all of these are 5 mil for the price that I'm giving you. So again, super expensive. And this is what I got from the book. So anciently, Melissa has been used for nervous disorders and many different ailments dealing with heart or emotions. So it was used back in the Middle Ages for stress and anxiety. I don't even know what Melissa smells like. I really want to try it. It promotes sleep, improves appetite, digestion support, anti-inflammatory, and balances emotions. So a bunch of different things as well. Let's see if it's in here. Another resource book. Because these kind of say what it smells like. So here we go. Okay, so this book says Melissa has a grassy lemon scent that's pleasant, uplifting, and encouraging. So I'm interested. I want to try it. The next oil is neroli, and it is extracted from orange blossom. So it's super sweet, uplifting, and used for so many things. The book I have promotes a happy mood. It can be used in supporting depression. It's a relaxant, hypotensive, used for hypertension, anxiety, depression, hysteria, insomnia, skin conditions like scars and stretch marks. And it inspires confidence, courage, joy, and peace and sensuality. So used for so many things. I just know that I will love neroli when I do get the chance to use it. It just sounds right up my alley and something that I would love. Neroli is about $111 for a 5 milliliter bottle. The next oil on my list is Sacred Sandalwood. So there are two different sandalwoods. There's Royal Hawaiian, but this one I'm doing is Sacred Sandalwood. So approximately $100 for a 5 milliliter bottle. It's been used for centuries for skin, yoga, and meditation. It's antibacterial, antiviral, it's an immune stimulant, and it can be used for so many things. So skin conditions, it's in a lot of DIY skincare serums that I see, so it can be supportive for acne, wrinkles, and scars. And then in this book, I thought it was super interesting. So this says it enhances deep sleep and may help remove negative programming from the cells. It is high in sesquiterpenes that stimulates the pineal gland in the limbic region of the brain, the center for emotions. It can be grounding and stabilizing. Again, an oil that sounds like I will love when I get the chance to try it. Okay, and the last oil is Blue Tansy. This one I see all over, used for skincare, in DIY skincare serums. I've seen people use it to make a DIY purple shampoo, which I thought was cool. I use purple shampoo, and I have not tried that yet, but I got from my friend Sam. This is a Blue Tansy sample, and this is all I've ever had of it. I use it very sparingly because I don't want to use it all. It smells amazing. It smells so sweet and floral and fresh. So if you have Valor, this is in Valor. I was also going to read off a few other oils that Blue Tansy is in because it's in a few blends. It's in a few Young Living essential oil blends. But this one, it gets its color from the Constituent Chamalousine. I can't really pronounce it, but I'll put it in this description. It's anti-inflammatory, antifungal, anti-itching. It's a relaxant, and it's used in all the fancy DIY serums that you see. And I just love the color of it. It's beautiful. Again, it just smells amazing. I want to make a perfume out of this, but I do use it just as my perfume. Again, though, careful with this one. It is blue, so it will stain your clothes. So just be careful with that. But I do love this book also because it shows you all of the blends that it's in. It's in Australian Blue, Awaken, Build Your Dream, Dragon Time, Dreamcatcher, Evening Peace, Bath and Shower Gel. Evening Peace. I haven't heard of that. It might be an older product. I don't know. Highest Potential, Journey On, Juva Flex, Juva Tone, Peace and Calming. Didn't know it was in Peace and Calming. That's cool. Release, Sarah T. Away, TR Care, Valor, and Valor Roll-On, which Valor is one of my all-time favorite oils. Blue Tansy is approximately $100 for a 5 milliliter bottle. Those are the top 5 most expensive Young Living essential oils. I cannot wait to try more of them. Let me know what your favorites are if you've tried any of these. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.